Hi friends, so this video shows how to install Steam on Ubuntu. So first we need to add this multiverse distribution. So just run this command, add apt repository multiverse. So this distribution command is already enabled in this system. Okay. After that we need to run sudo apt update. Okay, done. Now we can install Steam. Just run this command apt install Steam. So need to get 35 MB of archives. Type Y and press enter. So now it's installing Steam. Please wait. Okay, installation completed. So let me open. You can see the Steam icon. Let me open it. So it's updating Steam. So downloading update. So anyway, so this way we can install Steam on Ubuntu. So please try it.